Okay, so now the bench is pretty much finished, I need to resurface the bench top. It's pretty flat. I could use a hand plane. I think right now I'm just going to use a scraper here, paint scraper, scrape off some of the paint, and then we'll go through a few grits of sandpaper on the top, and we'll check it for flatness with a straight edge. I may use a hand plane if it needs to be flattened, but I think generally it just needs to be sanded and look a bit better. In the end, we'll also sand the base. We'll build a shelf by using some pine offcuts and a couple 1x1 pieces screwed into the bottom stringers. I'll basically sand the base as well, and then we'll look to coat it with some sort of oil penetrating sealer. Top of my head, I'm probably going to use tung oil or a Scandinavian oil, which is a bit of tung oil and varnish mixed together. So basically that's it. And final step, I'm either going to flip over and re-drill the dog holes in my vise chops, or I may just switch them since I mostly use the one on the face. I may just swap the chops around, and that way I don't have to drill new dog holes yet. Although I should get a 3/4 inch or 19 mil drill bit and re-drill all the dog holes just to make sure they're all the same size. But basically that's the end of me building a new base and also doing a bit of refurbishment on the woodworking bench. Now we can get on to some woodworking projects, and the next one's going to be finishing the Dutch tool chest, and that way I'm going to be able to store all of my hand tools, have more storage on the shelves, and get rid of all of the tools that are laying across the side of the garage. I'm going to start with some 80 grit paper on the top and also do some paint scraping.